Hello and welcome to Elite Geospatial. Happy new month and happy 65th independence anniversary to the great nations in Africa, the very giant of Africa, Nigeria. Today in Elite Geospatial, we're going to dive into the world of Sentinel data. So we'll be going through how to register an account with Copernicus. So that's what we'll be doing in today's videos tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to get an account with Copernicus, you need to go to this website called browser.dataspace.copernicus.eu. So as you press on that, it will take you to this page where you see me. So you can see to continue browsing, please log in or continuous anonymously. So you can either log in or create an account or log in anonymously. But this, you know that you're going to be, after every small time, you'll be doing alternative, like all those reCAPTCHA and all of that. So the best option is to have an account. Now that will save you from a lot of things as we proceed in this series. So first I'm going to click on login, and you need good internet to be able to create an account. So the next is to create a register. So I'm going to create more like a domain account because I won't be using this account. So the name is to put in the name. So I'm just going to fill in a name, Shamaki, and I'm going to just put in maybe VICK, Vict, and then I'm going to put in an email. Let me put Spay TV Media. I'm going to pull off my on-screen keyboard because I have an issue with my ID, so I'm going to put at gmail.com as usual. So at gmail.com. So the password, you need to put in a password, right? So this password is not necessary, but it's best you use alphanumeric. So and have a capital letter among your password. So I'm just going to fill in the password. They say the password must contain at least one special character, one uppercase, one lowercase, 12 characters, and one numeric digit. So the number, as I said, the password has to be alphanumeric, and there must be special character, and there must be an upper and a lower case, and there must be a number. Alright, so that's why it's alphanumeric. So I'm going to type in my password. Alright, so you won't be able to see everything because I'm going to you're missing a lot, so don't worry. So I'm just going to put in my numeric alphabet. I'm done with that, so I'm going to do the same for the confirm password. So once I've put in this, the next is to select country. So I am proudly from Nigeria, so I'm just going to put my proud country. Okay, I'm not from Iceland, I'm from Nigeria. Niger. Yes, that's my lovely country. Okay, so next is to type in, like, what are they asking? Type of user. Which type of user are you? Are you an organization? Are you international, public organization, regional, and all of that? So I will just go for others, or I will go for research and education organization. Then they're asking for the thematic activity. Basically, what do you use this data to do? So I am a geomatics engineer, so I can go with either land or environmental compliance, or I can choose research and innovation. So based on whichever suits your test, you go for it. So they're asking you for the purpose of what you will need this data for. So I need it for my research. All right, so I'm going to click on accept, check all of this. They're asking if you are also interested in accessing Copernicus. No, I am not. All right, so I'm not, because I don't want them to fool my mail. All right, so now the next is they're asking users category. What kind of user are you? So I'm just going to say I'm a Copernicus service user. All right. Okay, so it took me to read the terms and conditions. So it wiped everything. Oh my god. Well, let's just fill it again. So I'm just going to fill this quickly. So it's going to put all the passwords since I have filled them, right? So I'll click on register. Maybe they want me to also check this. Okay, it's going. So after this, the next thing is that you're going to check your email to get a verification. So I'm just going to use my phone to do that. So once you've registered to this stage, you will go to your email to confirm your registration. So I'm just going to do that right away, then get back to the video. So I have just about to do that because the email is a bit the internet is a bit slow here, so I'm just going to now when you get to your phone, you'll basically have to log in with the details you just have provided over here, right? That's how their verification is. So I'm doing that on my phone right now. Oh, I guess I'm on the wrong side. Just give me a minute. The internet is a bit slow, so I do not want to log in on the system with my email. That's why I'm doing it on the phone. So once you've reached this stage, it will take you to your phone, or it will take you to your email. So from your email, you will confirm your email, right? That's what I'm about to do now. So the internet is a bit slow here, so give me some minutes. I'll be back. So I was on the wrong email. It was the email asking me to subscribe. So you receive 2 mails. So one of them is that of the one you're going to verify. So once you click on that one, it will open up and ask you. You will see where it's a confirm validity of email, and then it's a confirm validity. So you just click to proceed. So once you click at that point, your email has been verified. So once that is done, you will come back to Copernicus. So like I've already told you, it is browser.dataspace, and then it will bring us back here, browser.dataspace.copernicus.eu. So I'm now going to log in now. So you see we have the account here, and when I click on login this time, it will officially log in and bring us into where we have. So if you come here, you see that it is showing, sorry, it's showing, oh, it's showing my name, and it's also showing whether I should log in or log out. So thank you for watching, and that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll continue on how to download data, how to search and all of that, use the entire interface of this website. So don't go anywhere, and once again, happy independence to Nigeria, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.